Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to the Duo Kitchen.
Autumn Festival is coming soon. We make this Snow Skin Mooncake.
1 cup of whole milk. Six tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, nice and even. 6 tablespoons of rice flour. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. We got 6 tablespoons powdered sugar or confectioner sugar. Lastly, we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now we're just gonna mix it all together.
So you kind of mix it well now. Shouldn't be any crumb. And then you're gonna have to put it in a plate. Gonna steam it. So we double the recipe, so we need to steam for 20 minutes. We're gonna have purple yam, but we need to steam boil it a little. So cover all the way, and then I don't know, steam for 10 minutes and check if it's soft enough. If not, we can add 5 more minutes. Cover the whole thing. And then medium heat steam it. So we are making the
Custard filling.
yes, the custard filling. So let's just beat
First,
2 eggs.
2 eggs. I'm gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Nice.
And then we have 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter.
I'm gonna mix them up.
We're gonna use a whisk and we're gonna just gently whisk it up.
I'm taking a bath. Need to mix it so it can harden, and that it will turn into like a paste. And just this is how it turned out, and then we just scrape it in, and then kind of have to cool it down a little so I can knead it. So I'm gonna scrape it off into this. To just speed up the process, I have some water and then some ice on the bottom. Okay, just let it cool down a little bit. It's still really, really hot. Okay. Just gonna stop this too. So it's gonna cool down a little. This one is cool down. It's not nice and cool. You knead it. So after we make a ball, and then we're gonna stretch it out, and then we put on cling wrap, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check on it, move a little bit, and then we put it back probably another 5 minutes or so. I don't know, we don't have 2 hours, so we'll see would it work. Same thing we're doing for the egg custard. Refrigerator, 10 minutes, we're gonna check.
Freezer. 10 minutes.
Oh, freezer, yeah. Got purple yam. Gonna add some condensed milk to make it sweeter, and then it can stick together a little bit more too. Ooh, look pretty. I think I'm gonna add another spoon, so it make it look like a little lavender paste, lavender color, like lighter color, because the white, I think the creaminess of the white. All right, this is purple potatoes. Put in the freezer again for 10 minutes. Check now. And this is the filling. We double the recipe for the skin. So we need to cut 18 for this one, and then 9 for this one, and another 9 for the purple potato. So let's do this side. A 3 and a 3, right? Like so. That's a 9. So 18 will be, let's half first. And then we're gonna do, oh no, do 3 to 3. So this, ooh, so doing. And then this, and this. And then 3, right? 1, 2. This one missing some. Gonna crush some for this. There. Custom for this. And custom for this. Dish, custom for this. Okay. Get one like this. Gonna make a ball, and then you're gonna spread it out. Like so. And then you're gonna grab one of this right here. One of this right here. And make a ball. Like this, and then gonna put them together. I'm gonna just seal the top, and then kind of just knead a mold like this, make a circle.
Like a sphere.
And then we have this mooncake mold that we have this design. Then we have other 3 designs we'll show you later. But first, we are gonna use some powdered sugar to kind of coat the whole thing, so then don't stick. Okay, and just spread out, pat out the excess thing. We're gonna do this. Okay, let's try. Put it in. do this. Gonna press it down. It's so cute. Can put a little bit of like the powdered sugar on top. Then you can coat a little bit more of the powdered sugar. So we changed the design. This is like a leafy looking. So I'm gonna put this in. Some sugar on the bottom. Press it down a little. And then just push it down. Ouch. Is that out?
No, it's not up. There it's not up.
Oh. I forgot to coat it a little. The purple yam is a little bit too big. I think we need like a 12. So 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna use those. Like that. A little bit too much. Okay. I put some purple yam. What is that? Like some of them together and then knead it so it look like a little purple color.
Lavenders.
Wow, pretty.
Happy eating!